And we stay with breaking news that's coming in the Saif Ali Khan attack probe, where we learn that the Mumbai police has now contradicted its own statements, and they are now suspecting that there are more people involved in the Saif Ali Khan case. This is a big revelation during the investigation, a new twist, in fact, that the Mumbai police has added, contradicting their own statements. Now, they say that there is a possibility of other accused being involved along with the accused. Shafarul Islam sources say that further investigation is to be done in this regard. We have Sandeep joining us in this regard. Sandeep, please share more details about how the Mumbai police is contradicting their own statements. Now we learn that they are matching the fingerprints of more than 200 people in the case.
Yes, a big twist in the Saif Ali Khan case. In fact, contradictions can be seen. Earlier, the Mumbai police, in fact, claimed that there are no one involved in this case apart from Shariful Islam. Now, yesterday we have accessed the remand copy of the accused, and in fact, in the same sequence, now Mumbai police has in fact claimed that the fingerprints, there are chances, they suspect that there are chances that more people could be involved in this, and for the same reason, they need the custody of the accused. Apart from this, more than 200 fingerprints have been in fact collected, and Mumbai police is having
Sandeep, stay with me because we are getting in more breaking news coming in. Like you were telling us, there are more than 200 fingerprints that have been collected by the Mumbai police in the case. Now, Mumbai police is having difficulty to match these fingerprints. Sandeep, I want to quickly come across to you. Who actually are these 200 people whose fingerprints have been collected by Mumbai police? And was it in a hurry that Mumbai police had declared that the person they have arrested is the one who is the attacker and that he's a Bangladeshi national, to actually cover up the lapses that was there in their team? Sandeep, take it away.
See, this is the big challenge for Mumbai police, in fact, to match the fingerprints. And in the same sequence, now we have got to know from our sources in the forensic team, as there are more than 200 fingerprints, Mumbai police and the forensic team is in fact having difficulty to match the fingerprints of the accused. So the big breaking that is in fact coming out from our sources in the Saif Ali Khan case, that the Mumbai police is yet to match the fingerprints of the accused, and so far they are not being in fact able to match the fingerprints from the samples that have been collected. So big update that is coming. Stay tuned to Republic TV for more on Saif Ali Khan attack case.
Ladies and gentlemen, please have a big round of applause for Nimrat Kaur for our fireside chat that will be led by my colleague Suyesha Sawant, Deputy News Editor, Republic TV. An insightful conversation on rewriting the script, Women in Global Cinema. Over to you, Suyesha.
Thank you so much, Rakshita. So I'm sure a lot of women sitting here, a lot of women watching at home want to know more about you, want to know more about your journey, and which is why I thought we'll start from the start. We'll start from where it all started. Your parents are also sitting here, who've been the biggest inspiration to you in your life. How was it growing up, and what was the kind of environment at home, being a girl child, your siblings, and what was the kind of culture that was